Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Martin, and today I'm at the Mosaic Center. I'm here today because we're shooting the video for our Kickstarter project. I've been working on a drone platform for the last year and a half or so, and today we have a fully functioning prototype. And so we rented a boardroom here to make that video. The reason I picked this building is because it's very modern and edgy, and also this was the first net zero building in Edmonton. They built it out of material that was extra from other construction sites, and they also used solar panels and other things to make it so it's net zero. So we brought in a media company to help us with the production. We have Nicolas and a colleague. Nicolas is from Lehmann Media, and he's going to help produce the video for us. He's going to do all the shooting and all the recording and editing and everything. And we also have Bryce from Titan Innovations. That's the engineer that designed our working prototype of the platform. Today I'm with Bryce. Bryce is the guy that invented our drone platform. We have it right here. He's the one who came up with the finished product. So Bryce, how did you come up with this cool looking design?
The way we came up with this design is we looked at what Martin and his team wanted from Drone Buzz and his aspects. The key thing is he's always on going outside, so we need something that's more ergonomic. We need something robust and industrial looking. So part of the design is it had to be collapsible, so we wanted a living hinge up here, as well as he wanted lights. So we added lights in the corner to incorporate so he can locate the drone pad when they're landing in the ground. Also with the all-terrain, we wanted to add D-links and easy to adjust the height. So when you're going on uneven terrain, on construction sites, it's full of mud, ruts, and various debris. We need something that's self-adjusting. As well as from that, we needed something that would be more industrial and hold a lot of weight. Drones with their cameras, we actually wanted something that could hold in excess of 20 pounds. So we added structural members. So we'd used an I-frame beam that actually comes out and holds the drone platform in place. So we wanted to take the aspects of industrial design, structural design, and something that can sustain a lot of weight, work in environments that go from plus 40 to minus 40, and be able to be collapsible and still look sexy for the drone platform. And that's where this design came from.
Well, this is very nice. This is some very sturdy work, and everybody comments to us that it's a very cool looking platform. And it's got a bit of an aggressive look, which makes it very industrial. Alright guys, we finished shooting the first part of the video. Now we're going to do the second part, where we're going to go outside to show off what the platform does and to fly the drone and have people see how to unfold for the platform and how the drone works with it. So I hope you guys enjoy what you saw so far, and we're going to do a few more shots outside if the weather permits, because the wind is really picking up right now. So we're going to touch and go and see how that goes. So stay tuned for more. Yeah, that's some pretty tall grass right there. Alright guys, we just finished our shoot of the platform. We actually used this grassy field here to fly from. So we have the platform sticking out of the grass to show exactly the purpose of our platform and what we're doing there and why we're going to Kickstarter, to show exactly what it does. So it's a pretty thick grass. It was a lot of fun. We flew the drone, we took shots, and then the guys here at Lehmann Media did a fantastic job. Alright guys, we're just finishing up our video shoot for our Kickstarter video here. As you can see, I'm all dressed up in the outfit I wore when I did the video shoot here. We're just finishing up, so I want to say thank you to Nicolas at Lehmann Productions for helping us put a video together, and thank you to Bryce from Titan Productions. I will have all their information posted in a link below so you guys can access this. If you have any questions on what you've seen so far, you can reach out to me. If you want actually to, if you have an idea you want to actually put from just a thought to actually having something concrete in front of you, I can get you in touch with Bryce, and he can help you formulate your idea and come up with something really cool. This guy can think outside of the box, and so what he did for us was impressive. We were impressed with his work. So if you're looking to develop something, that's the guy to talk to. I'll gladly refer you to him. So if you guys like what you saw, do subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.